Assalamualaikum. I am Saira and I am studying in 8th standard. I am from Shivaji Nagar Municipal Urdu School number 8. Friends, today I am going to share some important information about traffic signs. Traffic signs are very useful for us. It gives information about the road condition ahead. We all should strictly follow the traffic signs and neglecting them can be dangerous. So I have made some traffic signs for you. First, stop. This sign means stop. The driver should stop their vehicles after saying this. Second, speed breaker. This sign means speed breaker is ahead. No entry. This sign means no entry. Fourth, pedestrian prohibited. This sign means pedestrian prohibited or pedestrian are not allowed. Horn prohibited. This sign means horn not allowed. 6. No parking. This sign tells us parking is not allowed. No stopping. It means no stopping or standing. 8. Speed limited. It means all the vehicles should be in 50 km speed. It means right U-turn. This means left U-turn. 11. Narrow road ahead. It means narrow road ahead. Ready. 12. Narrow bridge. It means narrow bridge ahead. 13. Zebra crossing. This sign shows that pedestrian should cross the road at zebra crossing.